What is up guys, so I'm back with another video in this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can quickly recover your losses with the help of my premium trading algo AI bot. So let's get started without wasting any further time.
Money never sleeps, and neither should your trading game. Success in the market isn't just about timings, it's about moving the right tools to back your decisions. That's where Premium Trading Algo AI comes in, a cutting edge algorithm designed to optimize your trading like never before. With unparalleled precision, lightning fast analysis, and a blend of 28 proven strategies, Premium is your key to mastering the market and staying ahead 24/7. Let's dive in and unlock your trading potential today.
And there we have it, our first trade right there in the market, and let's check how this one goes. And there we closed all the deals in a profit. You can achieve it too. And there's a down trade again using the bot, and there we go again, closing with a profit. You can check out the accuracy level of the bot, and you can get it too. The link is down there in the description. Please check it out. You can buy the bot for $190 for the monthly one, but if you join the quarterly one, you will get a 30% discount, and you will need to pay only $398 for that. But if you join the yearly plan, you will get a heavy discount of 75%, and you will need to pay only $598 for that. So grab this opportunity now, because this offer will be closed very soon. And so let me continue trading again, so that I can show you guys the accuracy level of my bot. And let me just wait for the signals to come in. And okay, there we go, with a couple of down trades right there in the market. And there we go, closing all the deals in a profit again. Let me just wait for another signal to come in, and we will just decrease the my mistake. Let me just decrease up the amount, as we have made a really good amount of profit. And there we go, with a couple of down trades, and there we have it again, closing all the deals in a profit. We made a really great amount of profit in this session. You can do it too. The link is down there in the description and in the comment section. Check it out, guys.
Still stuck trying to figure out the markets on your own? It's time to let Premium Trading Algo AI take the lead. This isn't guesswork, it's strategy, precision, and results combined in one unbeatable system. This question is, are you ready to use the difference? Tell me in the comments, are you ready to stop overthinking and start trading smarter? Let's connect. Join now, link below.